So today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your OnePlus Buds 4 to your Mac or MacBook. Now this is very simple. The first thing you need to do is put these earbuds in pairing mode. Now to do that, open up the lid of the case with the earbuds inside the case, and then this light should blink white. Now if that's not blinking, you can manually put them in pairing mode by pressing and holding this button on the right side, this one right here. Okay, so just press and hold that button until that light starts blinking white, like that. So that means they're in pairing mode. So now you can go to your Mac or MacBook, click on the control center, and then go to Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth, and then you want to go to Bluetooth settings. On the Bluetooth settings window, scroll to the bottom of that page, and your Mac or MacBook should detect your OnePlus Buds. Now, if they're out of pairing mode, you can put them back in pairing mode by pressing and holding that button again, like that. Okay. Now you can see they've appeared, they've been detected. Click on connect, and you're good to go. So you should see them connected right here, OnePlus Buds 4. Now you can also ensure that they are the default sound output device, and you can do that by clicking on sound and checking that you have them selected. Thanks for watching and good luck.